Hello everybody, welcome to EduKarthik, and today we are going to start with exercise 9.1. So, as per previous video, I have updated you for the circus properties. There were total 5 properties and all I have told you. If you have not seen that video, you will not be able to do this exercise. Those are the main properties of this chapter. And also, as we all know, all the chapters are linked together. So in this chapter, lines and angles will also be used, and congruency of triangles will also be used. So remember, you have learned all the chapters, and if not, so you can check out my videos on my channel. So let's see. This is our first question. In this question, it is said that recall that you have learned that if the radius of the triangles, radius of the circles are same, two circles, then those circles will be congruent to each other. Okay, we have learned this, but it is told that in the congruent circles a chord is made which is equal to each other. So we have to prove that these chords subtend equal angles in the center. So see, what I have done, I have joined these lines to the chord, the center to the chord. Why? Because we have to prove this angle equal. Okay, so let's see. As I told you right now, two chapters will get used here. One is lines and angles, and second one is congruency of triangles. So congruency of triangles will be used here. So let's see. This side equal to this side. Let's name it A, B, C, D, P, Q, R. A, B, C and P, Q, R. So, in triangle A, B, C and triangle P, Q, R. Okay, these are two triangles. So, BC equals to QR. Okay, BC equals to QR. Why? Because it is given. AB equals to PQ. And PR equals to AC. Means AC equal to PR. And now, what is their reason? Radii of equal circles. What is radii? Radii is the plural of radius. Means if there is more than one radius, so it would be called as radii. So, therefore, by SSS congruency rule, because these are all the sides equal to each other, so by SSS congruency rule, triangle ABC congruent to triangle P, Q and R. So these triangles we have proved congruent, but this was not what we had to prove. We had to prove that these two angles are equal. So we can use CPC. Since by CPCT corresponding parts of congruent triangles, we can say that angle A equal to angle P, angle A equal to angle P, and hence proved. There are only two questions in this exercise. So the next question I will have to continue right now. Friends, now I am coming to this next question, which is totally opposite of our previous question. So as per previous question, we had to prove that this angle is equal, and now we have to prove that this chord is equal. Means in previous question chord was given and we had to prove angles are equal, but now angles are given and equal and we have to prove that chord is also equal, else it is same. So see, these are two triangles, these two ABC and PQR, and these two circles are also congruent. Angle 1 is also equal to angle 2. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, so in these both triangles, what things you can see common? Firstly, angle 1 equal to angle 2, here given, and AB equal to AC, AB equal to PQ and AC equal to PR. AB equal to PQ, AC equal to PR. Okay, these two are equal and they both have a same reason as per like previous question. These are radii of equal circles. Radii of equal circles. So therefore, by which rule? Firstly, this is side, then this angle, then side, angle, side, which is SS, by SAS congruency rule. By this congruency rule, we can state that these both triangles are equal. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, so these both are proved congruent. Now, we'll use CPCT to prove these both chords equal. Therefore, by CPCT, so we'll have to use the CPCT to prove these chords equal. So, BC equals to QR, and hence proved. So this was the shortest exercise I have done till my videos. Till yet I have made so many videos, and till this 9 chapters it was the smallest exercise, which was only of 2 questions. Okay, so and all of you should have understood these questions, and if you have not seen my previous videos of the introduction of this chapter and congruence of triangle, because it is important, and also lines and angles, so you will have to learn them. I'm not saying only my videos to see them, but you can see any other YouTuber's video, or you can ask your school teachers to tell you about them. And already you might have done those chapters, so you can do the revision, or if you know, then it's the very good thing. And see you all in the next video, and till then, bye bye all of you.